What's crunchy, satisfying, and great for your bones? Almonds, of course. These little powerhouses are loaded with magnesium, which helps your body absorb calcium more effectively. A small handful each day can make a big difference for your bone health. Snack on them raw, toss them into salads, or spread almond butter on toast. You can even blend them into smoothies for an extra creamy and nutrient-packed twist. But here's something cool. Almonds are also rich in vitamin E, which supports your overall health, not just your bones. Want more delicious ways to support your bones? Click the link in the description for more ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nourished Flavors for more tips. And don't miss the next food on our list, salmon. Salmon is not just tasty, it's packed with omega-3 fatty acids that promote heart health. Including salmon in your diet can also improve brain function and support mental health.